Happy Easter.
Okay, go find some eggs.
It's right something. Eggs! Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Come on.
I see one.
Where?
Go look.
Where?
Go look over by the pond.
Look, I found it!
There's more. There's more. Go find more.
Look!
Put it in the basket.
Put it in the basket.
There it go! Where'd the other one go?
Look on the ground.
There's one! By a tree! More! I found another one!
There's a whole lot more, buddy. Go find some more.
Where'd it go?
I see a blue one.
Where? Where?
Run around the yard, baby.
Where'd it go? Where'd it
Go
go?
that way.
Okay.
Help him, Rosie. I see one.
Oh, I see one.
Egg!
I see it. I see it. Look over there. Look over by the flowers.
It's an egg! Look! I got another egg!
I see it.
I found another egg.
Okay, there's more. Keep looking.
Where?
Go that way. Go. Keep walking.
This one. I found another one. Found another one. Where? The other one.
Go that way. Walk.
Let's go. I don't see it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Look up high, up low.
On the fence.
Where? I found it. It's the egg. Ah! I got another egg.
Good job, baby.
Just drop those. They're gonna break.
Where's the other one?
Keep
looking.
looking.
Where'd it go?
Keep looking.
Where'd it go?
Run around the yard. We have more yard.
Where'd it go?
Look by your foot. Look by your foot.
Uh-oh. That one's the yellow, yeah.
That's the one. That's Mommy's. Mommy decorated it.
Oh yeah, you set it down.
You don't want it?
Put it in your basket.
No, it was so dirty. I was so clear. I'm gonna look for the other one. I'm putting it in the basket.
Look for things that are yellow.
Look at the other one.
Look for things that are yellow.
Mommy! I found it!
You did.
Look at the other egg. I was at the other egg.
I see one
Where?
over there.
I don't see it.
Keep looking. Up high, down low.
Where'd it go?
Go over there. Look for.
I don't want to say fish.
Good job.
Money.
Yeah! That's jelly. That's jelly.
Keep looking.
And the other one.
Keep looking. Didn't you help Daddy with the filter? Didn't you help Daddy over here clean?
Over here.
Good one.
Yay!
Yeah.
Hey,
These are one.
you can move stuff. You can look under stuff.
Keep looking, baby.
No, it wasn't that way.
Go that way.
Come here.
Next to the fence.
You can move stuff.
Where'd it go?
Behind you.
Behind you. Is that your bucket on the ground? Is that your orange bucket?
Oh, you dropped it.
Can you grab it? Rosie, Rosie, Rosie.
Rosie!
The egg. Well, you found it.
Yeah, Rosie found it.
No, put it.
Wrong basket.
Don't know how it goes.
That's where it was. Yeah.
Oh, no, that's open.
Huh? This is a car in the egg. This is a car in the egg.
That's awesome. Hey, 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 don't open them yet.